Saving with Shay. I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with a pow. Take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. So listen, as far as my weekend bonus, I need 15 offers for $5. Now we also got a larger one, and I don't know if it's like an April Fool's, ha ha ha, joke's on you, but I need 50 offers for $5. I would have loved 25 offers for $5, but normally the larger ones, it's usually 50 offers for 10. Although I have seen some that have a much better deal. And so, yeah, we're not going to be even hitting that. Not even looking at that. And so with that being said, let me know in the comments what you guys got. As far as Flavor Wiki, we did get some new offers for Flavor Wiki. Not new offers, but just check your account and see if you have some that pop up. I've had a few extra chip offers that popped up for me. I also got another one today for, was it today? Yes, this morning for crackers. And so I grabbed that as well today. Now, I'm going to try to focus on getting more food because I'm trying to put together some stuff to donate. As y'all know, the whole issue with the whole SNAP situation for November, I'm not going to get political here, y'all. I'm not going to get political. I just know that there's a lot of people that are going to be in need. So if I can get together as much stuff as I can, then I will. All right. And so with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what you already know what to do, keep on watching. All right. So this deal here is on the Pepsi Zero. Now, I did see California Clipper post this in her last Walmart video. So if you're not following her, definitely go check her out. It's an OTC offer. They're priced at $2.38. Now, it took off $2.56 for me as well. And so it's going to make this an 18-cent moneymaker. It's on the Weathers. Now, I had to look for these because they wasn't on the seasonal aisle, but they are on this little like floating type situation here. They are a little higher. They went up, I guess, 20 cents. They're $5.18 now. So for this, we're going to grab a total of 2 of them. We'll pay $10.36. We'll get back $1.50 for each on Ibotta. We'll get back $1.25 for each on Checkout 51, and then we'll get back $3.50 on Swagbucks for buying 2. Brings them down to 68 cents each. All right, so I'm going to be grabbing the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar again. These are on rollback for $3.28. For this, we are going to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $6.56, getting back $2 on Checkout 51, $4 on Easy Bucks, making them only 28 cents each. And of course, we're going to go ahead and max it out. All right, so next up is the Pure Leaf. I'm going to go ahead and grab this deal again. I'm going to grab the Zero Sugar, this time priced at $3.38. For this, it did work for me last time. I'm getting back $1.50 on Checkout 51 and $1.50 on Swagbucks. We'll bring this down to only 38 cents each. Right. And of course, we're going to be grabbing the Hillshire this time around. These are priced at $2.97. 2 of them, well, we're going to grab 4. We'll pay $11.88, getting back a total of $8 on Swagbucks and $3 on Checkout 51, brings them down to only 22 cents each. All right, it's a little busy on that aisle. This is the aisle where there's nobody at. The cereal aisle. It's on the Cheez-Its. Now, if you've been doing the chip offers for Flavor Wiki, just kind of periodically go on there and see if you have any new offers. I've had a few pop up on me, and this is one of them on the Cheez-It Snap. It's on the 7.5 ounce. It's priced at $3.87, getting back $4. It's a 13-cent moneymaker. Not a huge moneymaker for Flavor Wiki, but hey, it's free, so we're going to go and grab it. I also have an offer for the Lay's kettle cooked ones as well. They're priced at $3.50. For this, we're grabbing the 8-ounce bag. We'll be getting back $5 on Flavor Wiki, making this $8.50 money. I went ahead and grabbed the Kettle brand. Again, I had this one for Joseph's account. For this one, you're grabbing the smaller bag. It's the sea salt one. At Food for Less, it's priced at $3.99. Getting back 7 would make this a $3.01 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Suavitel refreshers. These are priced at $4.68. I feel like these were cheaper last time. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $9.36, getting back $2 on Ibotta, $2.50 on Checkout 51, and $2 on Swagbucks. We'll bring them down to $1.43 each. All right, so of course we're grabbing the Arm& Hammer toothpaste again, priced at $3.98. There's a few ways you can do this deal. You can just grab one at $3.98, submit for $2 on Ibotta, and $2 on one of the sister apps. It'll be free, plus 2 cents. Or you can do Ibotta $2. Check out 51 $2, one of the sister apps, and make it a $2 and 2 cent moneymaker. It's also available for Walmart rewards as well. I'm gonna go and grab one at $3.98. Use this $2 printable from coupons.com. I'm gonna pay $1.98, getting back 2 on Ibotta. Will make it a 2 cent money maker with a limit of 3. This next deal is on the Tresemme. It's on the hair gel. This deal popped back up again. It's on the travel size, priced at $3.14. This is working for the offer on Ibotta for $2.50, making these only 64 cents each. All right, so this next deal is on the Summer's Eve. It's on the, what is this? The 12 count. It's priced at $1.94. Now for this, we have an offer on Ibotta. It's $2 back when you buy 2. So it'll bring it down to 94 cents each. Last but not least, you guys, this deal is still good. It is still scanning on the sister apps. I still have it on Swagbucks. And it is still working on the 20 count regular. It's not scanning for the minis. This is a G word, so obviously it's not for this one, but it is scanning, so it will work. All right, so these are priced at $5. The offer is buy 2, get back 10, limit of 2. So you can grab 4 on one receipt. You'll pay 20, get back 20, which is what I plan to do. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. And definitely is an awesome little stock up price. Hello, it's free. Hey guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good, as you can tell, right? I have mostly food, which is awesome. Because who doesn't like free food? I like free food. Which reminds me, for those of you who like free food, let me know in the comments if you guys are doing the McDonald's Monopoly, because you could play with no purchase necessary. I watched this chick on Instagram. She walks you through how to do it. She even shows you a hack on how to use more coupons at a time or trip, which is even better. Now, I put a community post up this morning, and you guys were saying that third shift couponer has a short up showing you how to do it. So if you want to see how to do it, go check out her video. It's pretty easy now, but at first it was kind of like mundane, like, okay, this is, but I'm used to it now. You can play up to 10 times per day. And today was my 3rd day, and I won the most today. I won 6 out of 10 times, which is so awesome. So I cannot wait to hit up the McDonald's kiosk, see what kind of little snacks I can get for the nieces and the nephews, and my little butt head. And with that being said, let's get into this video though. But yeah, everything worked out good here. All my coupons for Arm & Hammer scan, self-checkout. The OCC for the Pepsi scanned perfectly fine as well. I did post a video yesterday on the yummy bars and the little spoons. If you didn't watch that video, definitely go check it out. It's only like 4 minutes. It's a short video. That ended up being a $13 moneymaker, and I did get credit for that already on Social Nature, which is where it was G wording. I got back an extra $12. That was an awesome deal. The Magic Minds, $3.99 each. That's Target as well. Buy one, get one free offer on Social Nature. It did take off $3.19. Buy one, get one free offer that they text me for aisle. Took off $3.99. So it made that like 40 cents each, which is not free. I would have really loved free, but I wasn't sure what was going to happen on Social Nature because I had 2 different offers. One was buy one, get it free. One was BOGO. And so, yeah, that's how that played out. As far as the Advil, that's been working for me. It went straight through on Swagbucks, which was even better. My receipt for Checkout 51 is still processing, which sucks because normally it goes pretty fast. I'm going to submit my receipt for the Swagbucks, but I'm anticipating that the Ocean Spray should clear. The Hillshire should clear. I think the only thing that's going to probably go into review is going to be probably the Pure Leaf, because that's like a manufacturer type offer. Everything else should go straight through, hopefully. And so, yeah, with that being said, let's go through these numbers. These are my receipts. I had like 5 or 6. And so everything that you see here retails $139.41. We had $14.56 in coupons, including that OTC, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $124.85. Our sales tax was $6.29, and getting back $44.50 from Swagbucks, $34 from Ibotta, $23.78 from Social Nature, $16 from Flavor Wiki, $15.50 from Checkout 51, $12.88 from Aisle, and last but not least, $9 from Field Agent. I did do 3 Field Agent jobs. These were stupid easy, like cat litter. I went in there, and Vons is super easy. They only have like one little section. It was like 2 pictures and I was done. And then 1 display picture and that was it. I took 3 pictures at Vons and got back $3. I did Vons, Target, and Walmart. And again, I worked those deals into the stores that I'm going to be at anyways. And so I got back the extra 9 there. So getting back a total of $155.66, it makes everything you see here free plus a $30.81 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome because on top of liking free food, we like to get paid to take the free food. And so this is an awesome haul. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Hope that you guys have a safe Halloween. In the comments, I want to see some candy emojis in the comments if you made it to the end. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.